Hey, what's going on YouTube? So here's another video for the boomVader. We're gonna be replacing this chain. Take this chain off. These stock chains suck, so I recommend replacing them right away. So yeah, this is the chain we're gonna be putting on. RK chains, 420, 428 heavy duty. I got a gold chain, and then it's a 110 link. It's right here. Ordered it off of Amazon. I used the same chain on my other one, but this one I just got gold this time. So there we go. Nice gold chain. Stock one is 108, but it's okay because right now we're running the 14 tooth, and we're gonna be running 16 tooth. So yeah, I'm gonna be replacing it real quick. So first thing, find your thing right here. So once you find this, then we can pop that off. We'll get this chain off, show you guys how to do it. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is take off this side little cover, two 8mm bolts, which is those two right there. After you do that, then like I said, you take off the link. So you'll take off that piece and you pop off this, and then you can pull your chain. So here's our chain already pulled off. Like I said, these stock ones are junk, so we're getting rid of that. And then we'll be putting this new one on. So give me a second. Okay, put in the new one. And I recommend always replacing your chain. They're just so much better. And this is also a Japan chain, for those that are wondering. They already come greased up, lubed up, so make sure to use gloves because they do get greasy, messy. Okay, so I'm going to turn this a little more so I can show you guys the link process. Okay, so the chain's right there. And then master. And then that lock. Okay. Here we go, put this on, get it into one side and then to the other. You got this piece, put that on, just literally pops on over. And then this, you always want to put it, normally I put these this way, I face them opposite of the bike, the way the chain's rolling. Just so if we were ever to get caught, it won't pop it off. And then I just get a flat head and just push it off. Let's see. This one's a little harder. There you go. So it just clips on, just like that. Now our chain's on. Now I gotta set the slack. And then after we set the slack, we'll be good to go. Put the other cover on. And then when you do these, here's a 13mm. These are 13s. I'm correct, yeah. Okay. the axle loose. Loosen up our adjusters. Make sure the axle's loose. Okay. I'm going to tighten this. Both sides. And you don't want your chain too tight, and you don't want it too loose. I always see a lot of people's bikes messing up, having them too tight, breaking the motor mounts. And me personally, I've never broken motor mounts, so it's new to me, but it does happen. Okay. This chain's a little tight right now. I mean, the chain's a little loose. The reason for that is because, like I said, I got a little bit bigger chain because I'm going to be putting a bigger sprocket. The sprocket hasn't came in yet. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay. Tighten this up. Okay, so we got that all tightened up. Okay, just double check your adjusters. Make sure everything is like it should. Tighten the axle up. And that'll be it. So that's how you do it. 14 on this side, 17 mil on this side. These are 13s for the adjusters. This is the new chain. And then, you know, it'll look nice and clean once the grease starts coming off. It'll be nice and gold. And then other than that, I'm just gonna put a cover back on for now. Put this cover back on. It's a little hard to do with one hand. Okay, there's that one. And the other one goes down here. Okay. And now I'll get those tightened up. So that's how that works. That's how you do it. So that's how you install the chain. Once again, this is the chain right here. This is the one that I use. I never have any issues with it. Japan chain. 428, 110. This chain is perfect when you're going to do a 16 tooth or a 17 tooth. Gives you just the amount of slack without breaking anything. You don't have to break the chain or anything. stock chain, get rid of it. It sucks, so you want to get rid of that quick. 108 link, this one's 110. And yeah, thanks you guys for watching. There's another video.